Last class, we saw about ladder programming. So, ladder programming is a technique which is used to program PLC. Fine. So, today we will see about this another type of programming. So, left side you can see the ladder programming, and we were talking about programming device, one handled programmer. Okay. So, in this one, when you saw different types of PLC, this is basically handheld programmer, and this programmer can be directly connected with PLC, and you can do the programming. Okay. So like that, if you have like this handheld programmer, then we used to follow that instruction list programming. We used to follow the instruction list programming. And you might have got the experience of a microprocessor programming in last year. Then, so there you generally use mnemonics. Mnemonics programming use. Fine. So more or less same. More or less same. We are using in the instruction list programming also. Okay. So what do you do in the microprocessor programming? So you used to upload the instructions. Okay, that we call as a mnemonics also, isn't? Like that, in place of using computer, if you are using like a handheld programmer, generally they may prepare like this type of okay instruction list programming. Now let us see the left side one program is the ladder program, one rung, okay, two line. Ladder means there will be two line in between used to develop your programs using symbols. Okay, like that. According to this one, what is happening here? This normally open and this also normally open. So if you give force, then the switch will get on. Okay, so I have to give the force here. So when IN1 is pressed and IN2 is pressed, then only the output will come. So this we can call it as a AND logic. Okay. Now let us see here right side. If you want to use develop like the same program with the help of the instruction list, then we have to press like this. That means there is a symbol of LD in the handled programmer. You have to press LD, then IN1, then you have to enter. In the second time, you have to press and then IN2, then you enter. Then STO output. Okay. So STO out, then enter. So like that if you do, so this one rung, okay, will be developed as a program in the PLC. Any doubt on this? Now let us see the second here. This is a normally closed and this is a normally open. So how will you represent this normally closed contact in the what I say instruction list? You see load, LD means load. Okay, if it is normally open, what you used to do? You just write it as a IN1 in the previous program. But okay, here we are writing as a not IN1. It means what? It is normally closed. Okay, so the normally closed can be represented as a not IN1. Fine. So remaining will be same. You see, just to compare the previous program and this program, the previous program there will be okay. There are two normally open switches. They are connected in series. Okay. Then with the output coil, two switches are connected in series with the output coil. So it means what? So this is the AND logic. This is the AND logic. Now let us see. So let us see. Okay. Now let us see here at bottom. What? According to this one ladder diagram, either you press IN1 or IN2, the out one will on. So it means what? It is OR logic. So load IN1 OR logic with IN2 and with the output of out 1. Okay. So that is the thing about this one. Load IN1 OR with IN2 and output is out 1. So this is the meaning of it. So like this, okay, we used to upload our program. Any other doubt on these three ladder diagram and their equivalent instruction list programming? Any doubt? Now let us see next. Here, you see this rung is having IN1, IN2 and this is sub rung. Why do you call it as a sub rung? This is connected in parallel with the main rung, okay, but it has been connected, okay, the second terminal, this has been connected in between of the main rung. For example, if it is connected directly here, then it is called as a full rung, main rung. But here, so it is connected this one with the main rung. This is called sub rung and this is called the main rung. Okay. So like the same thing in the previous also, here also can say this is the main rung and this is the sub rung. Fine. Like that. Okay. Now the main rung, two switches are connected in series. Either it will work IN1 and IN2, okay, with IN1 and IN2, or it can work with IN3 and IN4. So load IN1 and IN2. Because of IN1, IN2, you may get the output, or IN3, IN4. So that means first we will write load IN1 and IN2. This is one line. Then this is the second line. Load IN3 and IN4. Okay. So these two load, that means these two load are in the OR combination. Both are in the OR combination. So that means what? We can say LD means it is the starting of the rung. Like that. Okay. So like that, this is one rung and this is a sub rung. Okay. And both are R together. Okay. R together. R LD. Then you will get the ST output. Okay. So like that. Okay. There you can see. If you press IN1 and IN2, then only the out one will on. Or you have to press IN3, IN4, then only out one will on. Any doubt? So similarly here you see. Now you see here. I can say IN1 or IN2. This is one group. Another group is IN3 or IN4. Okay. We are considering it as a group. IN1 or IN2. Because we can't say here IN1 and IN3. We can't say it. Why? Because in between we got one line. Okay. So that's why. Fine. Like that. Now let us see. Load IN1 or IN2. This is load IN3 or IN4. These two. and this should be AND. That means this is AND with this one. And load enter. So any doubt on this? Any doubt? So this one you can realize only if you practice. Okay. But we don't have here this instruction list programming. Fine. We are having your ladder only. Okay. Just for your knowledge purpose, I am telling this one. So any doubt?